Have you ever felt the fear and uncertainty that comes with kidney disease? You're not alone. Many people believe kidney disease always gets worse and can't be stopped, but science tells a different story. Welcome to a groundbreaking video that will revolutionize your understanding of kidney health. Today, I'm going to share something that will change everything you know. You thought you understood this condition. Picture a world where no kidney patient ever has to worry about losing a kidney again. It sounds unbelievable, right? Well, it's not just a fantasy. Recent scientific breakthroughs have brought us to the edge of a revolution in kidney health. We're discussing a groundbreaking study with over 400 participants spanning an impressive 8 years, revealing secrets we never knew. And the best part? I'm going to show you how even those in the advanced stages of kidney disease can benefit. Stages 4 and 5 patients can reclaim their health. You're about to discover the 10 transformative steps that are empowering kidney patients to take control and rewrite their stories. This journey isn't just about gaining knowledge, it's about empowerment. By equipping yourself with the insights and strategies shared in this video, you'll have the tools to take control of your kidney health and make informed decisions that will benefit your well-being for years to come. So, are you ready to join this journey towards a brighter, healthier future? Without further delay, let's begin. Step 1. Take control of oxalates. Eating plenty of fruits and vegetables is good for our kidneys, but it can be confusing to know what's beneficial and what's not. Some foods, like spinach and nuts, contain oxalates, natural compounds found in many plant-based foods. These compounds can stick together and form crystals in your kidneys if you consume too much. But don't worry, you don't have to avoid these foods completely. It's all about finding balance. There are 2 ways to manage oxalates. First, pair with calcium-rich foods. Foods high in calcium can help keep oxalates in check. Calcium binds with oxalates, making it easier for them to pass through the kidneys and reducing the chance of stone formation. Second, boil your veggies. Boiling vegetables can lower their oxalate content, reducing the risk of kidney stones. Additionally, fiber found in fruits and veggies can also help manage oxalate levels. Fiber binds with oxalates in the gut, preventing their absorption into the bloodstream. Lower oxalate levels in the bloodstream mean a reduced chance of developing oxalate stones. As you can see, it's all about maintaining balance by adding the right foods and making informed choices. More kidney-saving tips are coming up in Step 2, so stay tuned. But before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Step 2. Get rid of uremic toxins. All right, listen up. Here's another important tip to help your kidneys. Have you ever heard of uremic toxins? These are harmful waste products that can build up in your blood, especially when your kidneys aren't working well enough to filter them out. Uremic toxins come from the breakdown of proteins and the metabolism of amino acids, increasing levels of creatinine, urea, and nitrogen-based compounds in your body. When your kidneys aren't healthy enough to excrete these toxins, they can cause serious problems. But there's a way to help reduce these toxins: fiber, especially soluble fiber. Soluble fiber binds with water to form a gel-like substance in your gut, which can trap waste products, including uremic toxins, and prevent them from entering your bloodstream. A particularly rich source of soluble fiber is acacia fiber, also known as acacia gum or gum arabic. Derived from the sap of the Acacia senegal tree, acacia gum contains about 85 to 95% soluble fiber. Surprisingly, some studies suggest that people with severe kidney problems can even avoid dialysis for up to 8 years with the help of acacia fiber. By preventing excessive absorption of harmful substances, acacia fiber can be especially beneficial for those with kidney disease. Step 3. Hydration habits. Water is the elixir of life, flowing through your body like a river, cleansing your kidneys of toxins and ensuring they function at their peak. But why is hydration so crucial for kidney health? And how can we make sure we're getting enough of it? Adequate hydration keeps your blood volume stable, allowing your kidneys to effectively filter waste products and maintain electrolyte balance. Without enough water, your kidneys have to work overtime, which can lead to problems like kidney stones and urinary tract infections. So, how much water should you drink to keep your kidneys happy and hydrated? The common advice of 8 glasses a day is a good starting point, but your individual hydration needs may vary based on factors like age, activity level, and climate. Listen to your body's cues and sip water throughout the day to quench your thirst and keep your kidneys functioning smoothly. Step 4. Increase vitamin D intake. You might wonder how one vitamin can make such a big difference, But studies show that about 80% of people with kidney issues need more vitamin D. A deficiency in vitamin D is linked to the development of kidney disease, making it a crucial nutrient to focus on. Adequate levels of vitamin D can help regulate your blood pressure, support bone health, and even lower creatinine levels. Proteinuria, a condition where there's too much protein in the urine, is often a sign of kidney damage. Fortunately, vitamin D has been shown to help prevent this condition, protecting your kidneys from further harm. To check your vitamin D levels, you can get a 25-hydroxy vitamin D test. If your level is below 30 nanograms per milliliter, it's not ideal. Taking vitamin D is simple. Just take around 2,000 international units, IU, of vitamin D daily, along with some vitamin K2 and magnesium. If your kidney issues are more serious, your doctor can prescribe special types of vitamin D supplements tailored to your needs. Step 5. Regular exercise. Routine exercise is the key to unlocking a world of health and vitality, strengthening your body from the inside out, and fortifying your kidneys against harm. But why is regular exercise so important for kidney health? And how can we incorporate physical activity into our daily lives? Exercise improves blood flow throughout your body, including to your kidneys, helping to flush out toxins and waste products more efficiently. Additionally, regular physical activity can help control blood pressure, reduce the risk of diabetes, and maintain a healthy weight, all of which play crucial roles in kidney health. So, what does a kidney-friendly exercise routine look like? It's all about finding activities that get your heart pumping and your muscles moving without putting undue strain on your kidneys. From brisk walks in the park to invigorating swims in the pool, there are countless ways to get your daily dose of exercise and support your kidney goals. Even small changes like taking the stairs instead of the elevator or parking farther away from your destination can add up to significant health benefits over time. So, lace up those sneakers and join us as we explore the transformative power of exercise, unlocking the secrets to a future of kidney health and vitality. Step 6. Monitoring blood pressure and blood sugar levels. These vital signs are the barometers of your body's internal harmony, providing valuable insights into the health of your kidneys and overall well-being. High blood pressure and uncontrolled blood sugar can wreak havoc on your kidneys, damaging the delicate blood vessels and tissues responsible for filtration and waste removal. Left unchecked, these silent saboteurs can pave the way for kidney disease and other serious health complications. So, how can we ensure our blood pressure and blood sugar levels stay within the healthy range? It all starts with regular monitoring and proactive management. Investing in a home blood pressure monitor and blood glucose meter allows you to track these vital metrics at your convenience, empowering you to take control of your health and make informed decisions. Step 7. Managing stress levels. Stress is the insidious villain silently gnawing away at your well-being and wreaking havoc on your body and mind. Chronic stress triggers a cascade of physiological responses, including the release of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Over time, these hormones can take a toll on your kidneys, raising blood pressure, disrupting blood sugar levels, and compromising immune function, all factors that contribute to kidney damage. So, how can we manage stress effectively and protect our kidneys from harm? It all starts with self-awareness and adopting healthy coping mechanisms to navigate life's inevitable ups and downs. Techniques like mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, and Tai Chi can soothe your soul and restore balance to your body and mind. But managing stress isn't just about finding moments of tranquility in a chaotic world. It's about cultivating resilience and embracing a mindset of positivity and empowerment. By reframing negative thoughts, setting realistic goals, and practicing self-care, you can build a solid foundation for managing stress and safeguarding your kidney health. Step 8. Getting adequate sleep. Sleep is the ultimate reset button for your body and mind, allowing you to recharge and rejuvenate after a long day's journey. But why is sleep so crucial for kidney health? And how can we ensure we're getting enough quality sleep? Sleep plays a vital role in regulating hormone levels, repairing tissues, and promoting overall well-being. During sleep, your body undergoes a process of detoxification, flushing out toxins and waste products that can accumulate in your kidneys and other organs. To ensure you're getting the restorative sleep your body craves, it starts with cultivating healthy sleep habits and creating a soothing bedtime routine. Setting a consistent sleep schedule and creating a calming sleep environment free from distractions are key steps to optimize your sleep quality and quantity. However, getting adequate sleep isn't just about clocking in the hours. It's about prioritizing rest in a world that often values hustle and productivity above all else. By carving out time for restorative sleep and honoring your body's natural rhythms, you can support your kidney health and lay the groundwork for a future of vitality and well-being. Step 9. Identifying and addressing the root cause. When it comes to protecting your kidneys, it's crucial to tackle the underlying issues head-on. Here's a surprising fact. Nearly half of the individuals with kidney problems also struggle with diabetes. Yes, diabetes is a leading cause of kidney disease. Many people with type 2 diabetes believe that if they've had the condition for over 6 years, there's no way to reverse it. However, recent studies have brought some good news. They reveal that even if you've been living with type 2 diabetes for as long as 11 years, there's still a chance to turn things around. Isn't that remarkable? So, what's a natural approach to combat diabetes? It starts with your diet. Recent research has shown that simply changing what you eat can put diabetes into reverse. A natural remedy that's gaining attention in the fight against type 2 diabetes is apple cider vinegar, ACV. Integrating ACV into your routine is simple. Just mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of unfiltered ACV in a glass of water and drink it before meals, 2 to 3 times a day. This concoction can help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. But that's not all. ACV might also aid in weight loss. During a study, individuals who consumed about 15 ml of ACV with their lunch and dinner experienced almost double the weight loss compared to others. Since obesity is a major risk factor for diabetes and heart disease, incorporating 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV daily can be a beneficial step towards preventing various health issues, including kidney disease. Step 10. Make simple dietary adjustments. Alongside the advice I've shared in the first 9 steps, a few straightforward tweaks to your diet can significantly aid in your recovery from kidney disease. Firstly, it's important to cut down on sodium salts to manage blood pressure and fluid retention. This means steering clear of processed and packaged foods notorious for their high sodium content. Depending on your kidney disease stage, you might also need to watch your protein intake. Consuming high amounts of protein can burden the kidneys, particularly if you're already dealing with kidney stones or chronic kidney disease. It's a good idea to consult a healthcare professional to determine a safe level of protein consumption for you. Potassium is generally beneficial for people with healthy kidneys, and even those in the early stages of kidney disease. However, if you're in an advanced stage, your kidneys might struggle to regulate potassium levels. In such cases, limiting high potassium foods like bananas, oranges, tomatoes, and potatoes becomes essential. Refined carbs such as white bread, white rice, and pasta should be avoided. Instead, opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Among these, certain fruits stand out for their kidney-friendly properties. These include apples, berries, grapes, pineapple, and watermelon. These fruits are usually high in fiber, helping manage blood sugar levels and providing energy without overworking your kidneys. Limiting alcohol consumption is also crucial, as excessive alcohol can impair kidney function and potentially interact with medications, especially for those with diabetes. Controlling blood sugar levels is vital for kidney health. Work closely with your healthcare team to manage your diabetes effectively. Limiting alcohol consumption is also crucial, as excessive alcohol can impair kidney function and potentially interact with medications, especially for those with diabetes. Controlling blood sugar levels is vital for kidney health. Work closely with your healthcare team to manage your diabetes effectively. Lastly, staying hydrated is key. Water aids your kidneys in eliminating waste and toxins efficiently. However, if you're already dealing with kidney issues, consult with your healthcare expert about the right amount of water intake for your condition. If you found this information valuable, share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering insights on health and well-being. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, take care of your kidneys and each other.